Hello and welcome to radiobook.com. In this section, we are going to discuss about our newly launched product around under career guide. Now today we are going to talk about Python mock interview. So once you launch your radiobook application on Android mobile, or if you open a website of radiobook, then you will see the page like this, correct? And there are whatever we are going to launch, that product would be listed here. So recently we have launched Python mock interview. So once you click on this, you would enter into the Python mock interview section, where what you will see here, we have created three round of interview mock series. Here it is like this interview series is for the Python software developer. Here there are three rounds total conducted here. In the first round, Python core concept would be tested, and the interviewer in the first round would be the Amit and interviewee is the Sonal. So and this is what you would see if all the requirement for the real requirement for the software developer in Python. So these are all the requirement. Based on that, we have prepared for mock interview, which is three round of technical interview series. So in the first chapter, you will see the entire question and answers and interview process between Amit and Sonal. So the Amit will keep asking the question and Sonal will respond accordingly. So this is what you can see here. Now to listen this entire interview, what you have to do, simply click on this play button. So
First
it
round,
would be
Python
starting
interview
this.
first round.
If you want to move
See how
further,
Sonal
so
can
you can
contribute to our dynamic team and
you
problem
can
solving
use this
skills.
seek bar here to
Analyze and
move
trust
further.
highly appreciated.
Now
Interview
if you
setting.
see
The
like how
Ahmed,
it looks here.
interesting. How would you manage memory in Python?
Sonal, Python manages memory automatically through a built-in garbage collector, which recycles unused memory for new objects. However, we can also use libraries like GC to interact with the garbage collector if needed for specific memory management tasks.
So now you have seen this is how we have prepared this entire mock interview. So this is first part. Now once Sonal clear the first round of interview, as you can see at the end of this, that she cleared first round of the interview, and then she would be asked to appear for the second round of interview, which is like on Zoom. That is what you need to she need to appear on this, and this is what here in the second round, which would be more tougher round for the Sonal. And in this round, interview is happening from the New York, and this is happening on Zoom. So John is taking Sonal's interview, and this would be relatively tougher round than compared to the previous round. So this is again question answer session. If you see, like 25 minutes video has been created for this second round of interview. Now as you move further and you start learning on this, and then you would see like Sonal clear the second round of interview as well, and she would be promoted for the next round of interview, which is third and last round with the senior manager. And this is all question answers would happen with senior manager as well with the Sonal. And this is what Joshua is the senior technical manager here, who takes the third round for Sonal, and this is would be involved in coding as well as some question answers on scenario based, and then soft skills based question and answers would be asked to Sonal. And Sonal again cleared this round of interview, and then finally Joshua congratulate her and ask her for appearing on the last round of HR round. And he expect like HR round would be cleared because her technical skills are so strong enough that she would easily create and move ahead. Now the point here is, how did Sonal got so good on interview skill set, as well as obviously she is working and hard, and she is doing good on her job, but to prepare specifically for interview there has to be some material and something that should be helpful for you to prepare for this. So this three round of mock interview, once you appear, you will understand like what kind of variety of question can be asked during the interview, even you are well prepared. So because interviewer is also smart enough to find it out whether you have theoretical knowledge or practical knowledge, or any hands-on or not. So that is what they are trying to do. So what we have done here is like to prepare you, like this is a mock interview. We'll add more and more mock interview in the future. Now if you go to the home page, so we have created Python interview question series as well. Around 1500 question we are going to add on this. So like already we have added 500 plus questions on this series. So this is also, you can go through and listen all these questions. So many of the question which Sonal had appeared on the interview would had come from this directly from this series. So if you combine your preparation for interview using those question and answers plus mock interview, then you are well prepared for that your Python software developer interview question and answer. So it is very critical you practice well before your interview, and you regularly listen these books whenever you get time, or you are traveling or you're jogging or whatever you are doing it. So keep listening to those question and answers, and it make you very comfortable. It's not about just memorizing the question and answers. While learning this question and answers, this help you in your regular work as well, because you are going to learn the concepts which you are forced to learn using this interview series. Otherwise you would not be able to spend time sometimes and you don't learn main concept. So this is what we are saying it, you need to learn from using this book. So thanks for watching. I'm stopping now.